Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to compare these two brands of color pencil of Prismacolor Premier and Faber-Castell. Prismacolor Premier is a set of 72 shades and Faber-Castell on the other side is the set of 24 polychromos. The difference between two is the Prismacolor are super soft. It's creamy wax-based pencils, while the Faber-Castell on the other hand are oil-based hard pencils. Prismacolor I ordered from USA. इनमें कुछ ऐसे दिखते हैं. These are wax-based, again these are oil-based. So it's wide range 72 shades and these are 24 shades. Prismacolor Premier is USA based where Faber-Castell is Germany based. These are very smooth. They smell amazing. Easily blendable. They are very soft. Vibrant shades. So these are more creamy and more softer and blends easily. एक दूसरे में बहुत अच्छे से merge हो जाते हैं. So it's good for a shading work. If you are doing some realistic art, it's perfect. It's a high grade artist quality. So उसको बहुत ही संभल के यूज़ करना पड़ता है because when the leads get worn off very fast, you have to sharpen every 2 minutes if you are doing some with pressure. अगर आप कुछ कर रहे हो then chances are you might finish up these pencils very fast. Now on the other hand, I'll be trying the Faber-Castell Polychromos shades. The tip is a little bit hard compared to Prisma, but it's amazing. It fills all the gap. I'm doing this on a medium to light pressure. Blending is also good, easy to blend. Good in overlapping. Good for shading. So Prisma is wax based. You can see all wax falling on paper. Very soft and smooth. The lead has already become half, so I need to sharpen it. The part of the color doesn't fall on the paper at all. It's very smooth. Very good. इसकी बहुत जल्दी ब्लेंड हो जाती है, so you have to sharpen it very often. While the polychromos, the doesn't get blunt easily. It works longer. This, it has a hard tip. And I'm putting a lot of pressure right now. It doesn't break. Both Prismacolor Premier pencils as well as Polychromos, I'm putting a lot of pressure now and it doesn't break. Wherein Prismacolor pencils लीड बहुत जल्दी ब्लंट हो जाती है तो उसको शॉर्पन करना पड़ता है. Chances are pencils बहुत जल्दी finish हो जाएंगी and you have to order a new set. I have no idea if the spare pencils are available, but Faber-Castell की मैंने अभी recently order की थी of one of this olive green shade. It costed me somewhere around 100 rupees per piece. So the price range is same, but आपको artist level पे if you are sketching or doing some drawings, if you are on an artist grade level, it's good for the exports. So for me personally, मैं कम या ज़्यादा रेट नहीं दे सकती पेंसिल्स पे because they both are like amazing quality. आप Prismacolors ले सकते हो, आप Faber-Castell ले सकते हो, but for me personally, which I prefer is I'm more often working with Polychromos. I'll also show you other shades. सारे ऑर्गेनाइज करके रखे हुए मैंने अभी रिसेंटली. प्राइस डिफरेंस अगर मैं बताऊं तो Prismacolor 72 सेट कॉस्टेड मी ऑलमोस्ट 11,000 रुपीज़. आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम LA. रिगार्डलेस मैंने रिसेंटली अभी अमेज़ॉन में चेक किया था इंडिया में एंड द प्राइस इज स्टिल द सेम. डिस्काउंट होके भी इतना कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. Where Polychromos 60 का set, I just checked it on Amazon and the price is around 6,300 rupees. So price difference है. And for intermediate artist अगर हो तो I would suggest Polychromos. And if you can't afford, it's better to use the oil based. The alternative is Vinhar, which shortly I'm going to make a video on it. Or Prismacolor if you're an expert and if you're sketching on a daily basis, if you're doing good commissions, then I would suggest to go with Prismacolor's Premier. So that's about it. Soon I'm going to make 72 Vinhar color oil based pencils. Wait for it, and if you like this video, please do like, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, art lovers, and I'll see you in next video. Bye bye and take care.